capture, I'm looking right at them. And some of them I can't. It's so weird. Like I'm following it. I'm turning to the right. I'm turning to the right. Okay, I'm not turning anymore. It's flying on its own. That's so weird, dude. It's like they're searching. I feel like they're searching. So I was just looking at some of my footage. I've been taking a lot of footage of South New Jersey over NAFAC's Tech Center, the FAA Tech Center, and the 177 Fighter Wing where they have the F-16s, right? Now, I tried to amplify this because I was talking real quietly and the sound comes out at 100. When I put it in iMovie and I put it up to 400 so I kind of hear myself and I listen to my tape, I hear these weird noises. What is that? People are saying they're hearing these weird noises on the radio, on FM. They're catching it on FM. I'm gonna try to catch it on FM or AM tonight through a scanner. But I need you to listen to this all the way to the end. All the way to the end. And you can run all of my videos through anything you want to see if I enhanced or changed anything. I'm telling you, there is orbs of I can't say they're not from Earth because there could be other things in the Earth that we don't even know about. We haven't explored the center of the Earth. We haven't explored like 80% of the ocean. The drones are military, United States military. I guarantee you 100% the drones are military. The drones are picking up some kind of radiation. Could be from a dirty bomb moving around. Could be because there's a nuclear site, energy site in New Jersey. Could be because South Jersey had FAA, the fighter wing had nukes like 40 years ago, 50 years ago, there was nukes and it could be some kind of residue. I don't think so. But I think the drones are getting mistaken because the drones are looking for a nuclear payload that's supposed to go off to start a new war, just like 9/11. But I think the orbs are also checking that as well, and that's of extraterrestrial UAP. There's no way that these things, these electronic balls, these are not drones. A drone moves. The Predator drone is a plane. It moves. It can't hover. The little baby drones that people have in their yard, they can hover like a helicopter. The orbs, they're a small ball, and then they shoot out into like, you see a small ball with a big ball. Listen to this and tell me what you guys think it is.